In the sleepy village of Dharmapuri, nestled in the heart of India, a sense of unease settled over the residents. A team of evil ghosts, led by the malevolent spirit, Vetal, emerged from the shadows, seeking to possess the innocent villagers. The ghosts, born from dark magic and malice, reveled in chaos and destruction. As the ghosts descended upon the village, the residents, led by the fearless Raju, decided to fight back. Armed with ancient knowledge, sacred mantras, and homemade weapons, the villagers prepared to face the supernatural threat. The village elder, a wise and spiritual woman named Kavita, invoked the blessings of the gods, channeling divine energy into the villagers. With a fierce determination, the villagers confronted the ghosts, their voices chanting powerful mantras to repel the evil entities. Vetal, enraged by their resistance, summoned a dark storm, but the villagers stood firm, their collective spirit and faith shielding them from the malevolent forces. As the battle raged on, an unexpected twist unfolded. Vetal, the most powerful ghost, found himself captivated by the village's most powerful girl, Kavita's daughter, Nalini. Her bravery, kindness, and spiritual strength resonated deeply with the ghost's forgotten humanity. Torn between loyalty and love, Vetal defected from the evil team, using his powers to aid the villagers. Together, they vanquished the remaining ghosts, freeing Dharmapuri from the supernatural grip. With the darkness lifted, the villagers rejoiced, grateful for Vetal's redemption. Nalini, seeing the good in his heart, accepted his love, and the two became inseparable. United, the villagers rebuilt their home, stronger and more united than ever.